Please enjoy the music while your party is reached.
Hello, this is Tom. I'm unable to answer the phone right now. Please leave your name and your number, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Oh, you didn't do that.
If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2 to erase and re-record. Press 3 to continue recording where you left off. Press 4.
Hey, answer your damn phone.
Are you still there? If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2 to erase and re-record. Press 3 to continue recording where you left off. Press 4. Are you still there? If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2 to erase and re-record. Press 3 to continue recording where you left off. Press 4.
Well, I think I got enough sound to know whether it works or not, and I know by positioning the speaker closer to my ear, it's nice and loud now. It was just maybe a half inch into my helmet a little farther, and I thought it should have been louder than that, but now that it's up close to my ear, it's plenty loud enough. So I'm not going to adjust the volume anymore on that. Let me try one more time here. Hello? Hello.
Yeah, you got me?
Yeah, I got you now. That was funny. They made a funny video.
Say again?
That was funny. That made a funny video and everything because I've been filming this, so I set it all up and everything like that, and then I call you and then I get your answering machine. that was pretty funny.
Well, I was in the process of setting it up for Bluetooth, and it takes a couple seconds for it to catch on to what Bluetooth it's picking up on, because I got like 4 different things.
Okay. Yeah, one's quite a bit to deal with too. What I do is I turn off my Bluetooth now when I'm not using it, just to save the battery on my cell phone.
So you got your Bluetooth on now?
Yep. I'm in the parking lot underneath the cinema sign, and I'm just pulling out now, and I'm going to slowly make my way out to the highway and then get it up to speed so we can hear how it does at highway speed. And traffic just all moved out of my way, so it'll be easy.
Just a little bit behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the rider coming in, I was looking at that weather, and he's on the backside of it coming in.
Okay, I'm up to 50 miles per hour right now.
Okay,
Yep.
4.5.
That difference of moving the speaker closer to my ear, I can hear you perfectly now. It's not like I have to even make an effort. So that's just what I had to do with the speaker, and hopefully with the microphone right up against the speaker on the other end, I'll be able to get it as a vlog too.
Well, that's the plan.
Yeah. So hopefully I get this one nailed this time. Because there isn't any more adjustments really. If the speaker doesn't work this way, I mean, it's against the microphone, so if it doesn't pick up loud enough now, then I got to go to figure out something totally different. But I think it'll work. And I got the Bloggy now too, so I got a better quality microphone. I can deal with it if the sound's just a little bit low on your end, because I've got software where I can compensate for the volume, but I have to at least be able to have something I can halfway hear. And that first one was total garbage.
This should be a lot better.
Yeah.
It took me what, 3 tries to figure out where to put that speaker and how close to the microphone. So.
Well, this is smashed up against it, so I can't get closer than that. So it's got to work, I think.
Did you end up? What'd you do? Did you rubber band it or what?
No, I just put another piece of Velcro on the other side to pick up for the Bloggy mic. So now I've got it set up so I can either do the Vado or the Bloggy, but I'll probably have to stick with the Bloggy because I think I need every bit of the mic quality I can get and sensitivity. I don't think the Vado is set up good for this setup. I think it has to be the Bloggy.
Now I can bring my microphone down to here. Let me do that. All right, there we go. Let's see if that's any louder.
About the same. It's just a little bit clearer, but the volume's about the same. But I'm cruising nicely at about 50 miles per hour, sounding good on the speaker. If I'm sounding okay, then I think all it is now is for me to play back the video and make sure my microphone on the Bloggy picked up good, and then we'll be set to go.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, you call it whenever you think you got enough.
Yeah, I got plenty enough audio right now, so if you want to go ahead and hang up, then I'll just cruise back home, and then I'll start texting you and see how the video turns out.
Okay, I'll catch you on the internet.
Okay, bye.